Hello guys, so we're here to do another review about Banpresto Figure Coliseum Academy Vol.1 Izuku Midoriya. So let's take a look on the packaging. Here's the side. Then this is the back part. So I got the variant with no colors. Then I also bought the colored one. Big shout out to Yabai X Yabai for getting me this figure. So the sticker. So that's it for the packaging. Let's open this. So usually ino-open ko siya sa baba. Since kapag sa taas, kapag i-display mo kasi, mas halata kasi kapag sa taas mo siya binuksan kapag mali yung pagkakabukas mo. So pag sa baba, since ayan yung parang nagiging stand mo, hindi siya mahalata kung hindi display mo yung box. So there you go. So it comes with the standard packaging ng Banpresto. Then it's also sealed in plastic. So it comes in 4 parts: the base, the stand, the leg part, and the torso. So open na natin. So here's the base. So you can see Academy. So this is the stand. So take note lang natin na yung base, it's a big, medyo wide. So kung ilalagay nyo siya sa display cabinet, medyo kain ng space. So here's the torso. So 2 parts lang siya. Combine na natin. And that's it. Here's neck. So pasok mo na yung male peg dun sa female peg. And yan na siya. So ayusin natin yung ilaw. So as you can see, this pose or this figure is heavily inspired from the season 1 of My Hero Academia anime, where Deku fights Bakugo during their training. So he comes running and then he will go for a punch. So let's check some details. Well, we cannot see the full details of the figure due to the color, but otherwise it's still pretty decent. Yung sa eyepiece niya medyo translucent din siya, then ito separate part. Belt is good, the shoes, knee pad, the shoes is on point. So let's put it back. So this week medyo naghanap din naman ako ng colored. So ito yung colored naman niya. So as you can see, mas nag-pop out yung details niya. Yan ba? So mas kita dito yung translucent lens niya. And painting is good naman. From the boots, from the hair, shading of the hair is good. So that's it. For the price point of around 850 pesos, this is good. So side by side, then some photo shoot I did. Thank you guys, subscribe.